everybody, this is Cool Man with another Hmong lesson for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about the M tone, and yes, it's another tone, and yes, I will be going through this tone individually, alright? The reason for that is because tones are really important in the Hmong language. I'm going to go through these individually and try to help you guys master them as best as I can. Got it? Alright, so the M tone, or Cim Niam, G stands for tones, M stands for mom or mother, right? So it's the mother tone, and it sounds like this. So Cim Niam, Cim Niam. Do you guys hear that? It's a little down tone. So Cim Niam, Cim Niam, straight down. The way I remember how to say this tone. So when you look at the M, like that, it has these two like legs going down, straight down or pointing down. So it's like Cim Niam, Cim Niam, straight down, Cim Niam, Cim Niam, like that. So here's a few words just to help you guys hear the sound with different vowels, so that you guys don't just, apply it to nia only, because there's a lot of different vowels that can be with that tone. So nia, mama, bo, kong, da, nu. Alright, so almost every single of those words has the M tone except for mama. But mama is actually one word and it ends with the M tone. But it's a two-syllable word. And as you guys remember how syllables works in the Hmong language, that's why this first one has a different tone and the second one has a different tone. Mama is actually a really, really good word to teach tones, like mama. Right? It has a B tone and then the M tone. So with the B tone, if you guys can hear that and if you guys can remember, it's actually a high rising tone, almost like you're singing. So ma, ma, like that. And then the M tone is straight down, ma, ma. And so you hear the straight rising up and the straight down. And it's a really good comparison because they're almost opposite, right? Ma, ma, like that. Ma, ma. A way to remember this tone, when it's specifically like how to remember it, is the mother tone. So I always refer to the stereotype of Asian mother. Mother's being really strict and mean, tiger mom. Exactly. So that's how I remember it, because tiger moms are always gonna beat you down, gonna yell at you, gonna be strict on you. So that's how I remember it. Oh, wait. But Hmong people do actually have tiger mom. Yeah. Well, in the folklore anyway, in the Hmong culture, we have these stories actually of how a tiger can actually transform into a human and a human can transform into a tiger. And so when you think about that, and sometimes it is actually mothers who turn into tigers and tigers who turn into mother, and they actually just act like regular mothers, take care of their kid, loving and caring. Sometimes they're strict, sometimes they're not. So this stereotype may not actually apply to the Hmong people, because we actually have tiger mom. Well, at least in the folk tales anyway. Guys, just want to emphasize that it is a stereotype. It doesn't apply to everyone. Not all moms are mean. Not all moms are tiger. Not all tigers are mom. But I gotta admit that my mom was pretty strict on me when I was growing up. As you grow up, you start to realize that the reason why they were strict was because they wanted the best for your future. Even though it is kind of maybe a little too hard on you, but it came from the right spot, right? It came out of caring and love. Talking about love, I do love my mom. Unfortunately, I don't know if I would tell her, because that stereotype again, Asian people don't show emotion, and I'm a person who don't really show my emotions, especially to my family. So I tend not to openly show my emotions to my family. I think I tend to use other ways to show that I care for them or I love them. There's a lot of ways you can actually show that you care for somebody. And for instance, like you can actually take them shopping, you can buy gifts, you can take them out to eat something really nice, or you can throw a huge spirit calling ceremony for them. So yeah, a lot of different ways to show that you care for somebody. Anyways, the M tone, or Cim Niam, the mother tone, just imagine the M stomping down or pointing down towards the ground, showing you guys that it is a straight down tone, Nia. Or you can imagine a stereotypical Asian mother who's hitting you on the head. Watch out! Oh, I can't do that. Stereotype and child abuse, I guess. Well, hitting you with a soft pillow. Ah. Thanks for watching. This is Cool Man.